So you're going to show how to get rid of yellow jackets that are nests are way, way up high.
Way high.
So you're using this telescoping pole, and you've paired it with a
attachment.
Yeah.
And the attachment is for any sprayer. It'll basically use any sprayer. So if you need to spray something else that was really high, you could do that too.
But in this case, going after these yellow jackets.
It helps if you remove the little thing that stops it from spraying just before you get it all the way up there.
And if you didn't know, it's good to do this either really early in the morning or at dusk or in the evening so that they're not active.
And they're all in the nest.
Yeah.
Basically, you just put this in here, tying down this thumb screw, and then when you pull on the cord here, that pulls this down, and then it shoots. And the great thing is that this pole extends a lot. So I can get all the way up to that peak.
This really shows the height of this telescoping pole. It is the best time to get them because these guys can get kind of aggressive, especially later in the summer. So you can see, oh, we hit one right there. And it's really nice because you aren't wasting, you're not wasting the spray, and you're not getting it everywhere, like all over the windows, or, you know, sometimes if you're trying to shoot it 20 feet or something, it's just getting everywhere. This is definitely a better way of doing it. So it's nice, you just buy the extension pole and the adapter once, and then you've got it forever. I don't know about you, but this is way better than climbing up on a ladder and then having angry flying stinging things next to you. So if you're interested in getting the adapter or extension pole, we'll go ahead and drop a link in the description and the comments so that you can find this to get it yourself.